Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the preferences in the Royal Caribbean International application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page, and then click on the profile button, and at the preferences section click on the offers and communications button, and as you can see here, you can select if you want to receive special offers, travel tips and insider information on these two topics. So you can just select both of them or deselect all, or you just select one of them. So just click on the white box next to the one that you want, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.